I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Interactive Broker's desktop. First, you will need to download and install the Trader Workstation software onto your computer. Once installed, securely log in using your Interactive Broker's account credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main layout, which typically includes a portfolio window, an order entry panel, and various market data displays. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth start to your trading journey. Now that you are logged in, let's navigate the platform. You can easily locate the Account Management section to view your portfolio details, including positions, balances, and statements. Access real-time market data and news feeds, which are essential for making informed trading decisions. Don't forget to utilize the powerful search bar to quickly find specific stocks, options, futures, or other financial instruments you wish to explore. This efficient navigation saves valuable time. Placing a trade is straightforward. Begin by opening an order entry window, where you can specify all your trade parameters, such as quantity and price. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of order types. Choose between market, limit, stop, and more advanced options like bracket orders to suit your strategy. Always double-check and confirm your order details carefully before submitting it for execution to avoid any errors. This precision is key to successful trading. Beyond basic trading, Interactive Brokers Desktop offers robust advanced features. Explore the comprehensive charting tools, which include over 100 technical indicators to help analyze market trends. You can also set up personalized alerts and notifications for specific price movements or important news events. Furthermore, customize your workspace with multiple layouts and watch lists, tailoring the platform to your unique trading style and preferences for maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.